Welcome to MadiLicious. I'm Madison Amara, and today we are in the MadiLicious Christmas kitchen. I'll just take you through the ingredients and we'll get started on making this spicy and sweet gingerbread latte. You're going to start by making a gingerbread syrup. Super easy. What you need for that is some water, some spices such as cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, some salt and pepper. I used fresh cracked black pepper. I'm going to be using some ginger root, but we won't need the whole thing. We'll just use a few pieces of it. Like that. Also, some molasses is needed, vanilla extract, and some sugar. That's for the syrup. Now at the end, we'll go ahead and add in our milk. I'm using oat milk. You can use any milk of choice. And of course, some coffee or espresso. This is just some fresh brewed coffee. Turn your saucepan on a medium heat and just go ahead and add in all of these syrup ingredients. In goes the water, sugar, the spices and the fresh ginger. Put in the molasses. There we go. We have that going, and going to add the vanilla extract. So go ahead and just give it a nice stir. Keep it on a medium heat. Let it get nice and hot and let it bubble up a little bit for about 5 or 6 minutes. It's already smelling like gingerbread. It smells so good. And then we'll go ahead and add in our coffee and our oat milk and be able to have our gingerbread latte. All right, so this has been cooking up for about 5 minutes and it smells like either a gingerbread house I'm in or some kind of gingerbread creation because it smells delicious. This is the perfect gingerbread syrup recipe. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and add the oat milk to this syrupy mixture. And as you can tell, it got nice and thick, just thick enough. It doesn't need to be extremely thick. It's more so about the flavor. In goes the oat milk, if that's what you choose to use. And you can't forget about the coffee or the espresso. Wouldn't be a latte without it, would it? There you go. You can use decaf or regular. It's really up to you. And just give it a nice stir. So just warm this up for a few minutes to your desired temperature. Don't burn yourself now. That would really hurt. And we'll be able to drink it. I went ahead and baked some gingerbread cookies. Now, they might be in a funny shape to you, but they're actually ninja gingerbread men, which I think is hilarious. So you can see them doing their little poses here. Hilarious. So I'm going to go ahead and just decorate a few. Just get yourself some royal icing. And I also have some green and red Christmas beads. Scary, but I think it's cute. It's pretty cute. And then this one, of course, maybe I'll just outline it and make it a little bit more rustic. Look at that! Beautiful! Maybe I'll make a snowflake. Rest I will decorate later because I think that our latte is now ready to be poured into its mug. go ahead and pour it right on in there. What is a gingerbread latte without some whipped cream? There. Get on it. Yes. Ooh. There you go. Grab a cookie. Maybe do a little dip before I try it, because I know it's hot. Oh, it's good. Really good. Now, let's give this latte a little taste. Oh my goodness, that is so good. That tastes like just gingerbread in a mug. You guys want to try this recipe? Measurements will be down below. You can taste the ginger, which is why you want to use ginger root. You can really taste it, and it tastes nice and fresh. Tastes like you actually made it homemade. And that's what's really special about this holiday season. Hope you all have a very Merry Christmas and a happy holiday season, and enjoy your gingerbread latte. All right, I'm gonna go enjoy mine, enjoy probably a few more cookies, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye. Actually really, really good.